Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormesh.com. In this session, we'll be discussing about advanced drawing commands in AutoCAD. Polygon is an essential tool which we use in AutoCAD. It helps you to create an equilateral closed polyline. That means you can create a triangle or a square or a pentagon or an hexagon and so on with the help of the command polygon. It makes your design much more easier and time saving. The parameter that you have to give for polygon is radius, considering the polygon is inscribing or circumscribing a circle. The next command that we have to learn is called donut. Donut is a very useful command in AutoCAD. It is usually used by electrical engineers to show the connections in the circuit. Basically, the donut creates a filled circle or a wide ring, as you can see the example here. So let's learn more about polygon. There are two options to create a polygon, that is inscribed in circle and circumscribed above the circle. Inscribed in circle. When you use the inscribed in circle option, the polygon comes inside a circle. As you can see here in the example, there is a dotted circle shown here, which means that the polygon is inscribed inside an imaginary circle with a radius r. So eventually you can say that the radius of the circle, that is r, is equal to the distance of the center of the polygon to the vertex of the polygon, like this. And the next method that we use to draw a polygon is circumscribed about the circle. Circumscribed about the circle means the polygon circumscribes a circle. That means the circle is inside the polygon. Here it is entirely opposite. So that means the same circle of radius r is now denoting the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of the side of the polygon. So there is a small size difference in the polygon, whereas the radius remains the same in both the method. So you have to use the accurate method to draw your polygon. So now let's see these options in the software. To draw a polygon in your drawing, you have to use POL, that is polygon, and press enter. Initially, AutoCAD will be asking you to enter the number of sides. The default value is 4. You can enter a minimum value of 3 to a maximum value of 1024 to give the number of sides. So let me give the number of sides as 5 and press enter. Now it's asking to specify the center of the polygon. Let me specify the center of the polygon somewhere here, like this. Now it's asking that whether you want inscribed in circle or circumscribed above the circle. I will go for the first option, that is inscribed in circle option, like this. Now you have to specify the radius. For the time being, I will specify the radius as 5 and press enter. So accurately, my polygon of radius 5 inscribing in circle has been placed. Similarly, let me draw another polygon of side 5 itself, which is aligned exactly with the same center point of this object, like this. This time I will go for the second option, that is circumscribed about circle, and give the radius as 5 itself. So now you can see in the both sides I have given the same radius, that is 5, but the method of creation was different. That is, this one was inscribed in circle and this one was circumscribing about the circle. There is one more way to create a polygon, that is POL, and press enter. Let me give the number of sides as 5 itself and press enter. There is a subcommand called edge. Let me go for the option edge. Now it's asking to specify the first point of the edge. That means here I will denote one of the edge of the polygon. Let me denote like this, first point, and the second point somewhere like this. So like that, you can also place polygon similarly. Let me create another polygon with the side as 6 and with the same method of edge with this side like this, and your polygon is created like this. So it is pretty interesting to create polygons in AutoCAD. So the next command that we have to learn is called donut. Donut is a filled circle. That means it consists of a filled area which denotes it as a ring. You can use donut to specify any point or to show the connectors in electrical drawings, or else you can use donut to show the elevations in civil drawings. So let me go for the command donut. The shortcut is DO and press enter. Initially it will be asking you to specify the inner diameter of the donut. Let me denote the inner diameter as 1 and press enter. Now it's asking to specify the outside diameter. Let me denote it as 2 and press enter. So now you can see your donut has been created. You can place multiple donuts like this, so it will be easy for you to create and place your donuts. So like that, you can use donut to place in your drawings to show various things like this. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback, and for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.